Hi guys and welcome back. So this week I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Kylie Jenner. It is a beautiful soft glam look that is really wearable and just beautiful. So let's get into it. So to start this look I'm going to be using this Fast Base foundation stick by Revolution Makeup, and the shade I have is F8. So I'm just going to use that all over my lids to just even out the skin.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind.
So the palette that I'll be using today is this one here by Revolution Makeup, and this one is called their Reloaded Newtrals 2. So I'll show you, this is what it looks like. It's just such a beautiful palette and I absolutely love all the colors in this, and I thought it was perfect for this look. So I'm going to start with this color right here. It doesn't really say what shade it is, but I'm going to use that all over the lid.
Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
So now just to deepen my crease, I'm going to use a slightly darker brown shade. So the color I'll be using is the shade right here. And I'm just going to use that on the outside portion of my crease and just on the outer part of my lower lash line. The next color I'm going to be using is this color here in the palette, and I'm just going to use that on the lower lash line to the center. And now to highlight the inner corners, I'm going to be using the shade right here in the palette. I'm just going to highlight my inner corners.
With you for an eternity, I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you. Won't you take me home and give me...
And now moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using this liquid liner from Australis Makeup, and it's called Make Me Matte Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm just going to use that for a winged liner.
You take me home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
So now moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using this Telescopic Lash Mascara from L'Oreal. And I love this because it has a really fine brush.
Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
So for foundation, I'm going to be using this Fast Base foundation stick from Revolution that I used on my eyelids. I'm just going to use that all over my face. So now for concealer, I'm going to be using this one here by Nyx Cosmetics. It's called Hydol Synth Concealer. This is a really good concealer because it's full coverage, and it's also waterproof and anti-aging.
I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream.
And now moving on to contouring, I'm going to be using this Pro Contour Cream from LA Girl Cosmetics, and the shade I have is Natural.
Won't you take me home?
So now moving on to blush and bronzer, I'm going to be using this palette here from Revolution Makeup. It's their I Heart Revolution line, and this one is called Praline, and it looks like this. That's what it looks like. It has a contouring color and some highlighting color. So I'm going to use this color here, and that shade is called Ripple. It's really pretty. It's a nice pink shade, and I'm going to use that as my blush. I'm also going to use a little bit of the contouring color, and I'm just going to really define my cheekbones even more.
With you for an eternity, I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you.
So now for highlighter and bronzer, I'm going to be using this Chocolate Heart by I Heart Revolution as well. And this is really nice because it's just kind of like a bronze, but it also has a nice shimmer to it.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this.
Now for a touch more highlighter, I'm just going to be using this one here by NYX Cosmetics. And this one is called Away We Glow in the color Moonbeam. And this is just a really nice liquid highlighter. So I'm just going to use it here.
We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
So moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to be using this pencil here by NYX Cosmetics, and this one is called their Precision Brow Pencil, and I have the shade Taupe. I really like this eyebrow pencil because it is super fine, but it's flat, so you can do really nice strokes, and you can also fill in your brows. So I'm just going to start by brushing them up, and then just filling them in, but making them look just fuller and more defined.
Take me home. Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky.
So now to set the brows, I'm just going to use this L'Oreal Brow Gel, and this one is called the Brow Artist Plumper, and I have the shade Light Medium.
We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this.
So now lastly, moving on to lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick here by Australis Cosmetics, and this is their Girl Boss collection, and the lipstick is a satin lipstick, and it's actually called Collection. So it's just a really pretty, kind of like a corally orange shade, very similar to the color that Kylie is wearing in the photo.
To a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
So there you go, this is the finished Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. This is a really soft glam look that you can wear during the day. You can also wear it at night and just make it a little bit more glamorous with false lashes, but it's really nice to wear during the day because it just looks like you're wearing something. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time.